Good morning, guys. I'm with Daisy. Hello. I know. It's 8:45 in the morning. I just woke up. I have yet to take my meds or fix my makeup or anything. We have a long day ahead of us. A lot of driving. So, if you see the title of this video, you probably know what's going on. If you watch the video I posted after this first, you probably already know what's going on too. But if not, surprise, you'll figure it out real soon. So yeah. My mom is gonna be so mad at me. She's gonna beat me up. So, in advance, I got her an apology gift. I bought her a limited edition Coach bag. It was, it's like $500 after tax. So hopefully she accepts that as my apology gift, because I did a no-no. Anyways. So, I know I'm totally gonna get, beat by my mom after this. That is why I have bought my mom a limited edition Coach purse in advance. I bought it last night. It's gonna be here at the end of the week. So by the time that my mom figures out what's happened, I'll just be like, oh, I apologize for the inconvenience. Here's this. And give her the purse. It was like $400 or $500. Light work. Not really. But it's worth it. So yeah. We've got a big day ahead of us. Lots of driving.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky.
Hi,
We
Mama.
are heroes
How are you?
tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Jasmine's trying so hard to be friends with her. It's okay. She's trying so hard to be friends with her, but she doesn't know how. And her fur's standing up on her neck a little bit. I just introduced them together. Obviously, I'm watching it. But my dogs are so fucking dog neutral that, Daisy just wants the pig ear. Jasmine is just being a little fucking attention hound. And this one just wants to look out the damn window. What are you doing? Good morning, guys. It is the next day. And she's doing puppy things. She's eating like a little pig ear right now. She flipped her food bowl over on my floor. And there's food everywhere. But she's slowly eating it, so I'm just gonna leave it for now. And like she'll get up and eat some and then sit down and get up a few minutes later and eat some and sit down. So I'm not horribly upset, but yeah.
We are